So we at the car wash. Going through to get this car washed. I got my nephew Drew with me. Say hi, Drew.
Hi.
How was school?
Good.
It was good?
Hmm?
What you do?
I played a lot.
You what?
I played a lot.
Yeah, you played a lot. Okay. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Are you scared? You sure?
I'm not scared.
Yeah, I thought you said you were scared. Okay. Whoa. This thing hitting kind of hard, ain't it? The back view. Going through the car wash. Uh-oh, here come the phone. You like that? What color is it?
Blue and green and purple.
Oh, good. I see it right here. I will roll my window down, but I ain't trying to get smothered in some foam. This car need a wash.
Huh? This nice car.
Huh?
This nice car.
Okay, the seal wax, Teflon, tire shine. They doing everything. Woo! Like that, Drew?
Yeah.
You do? Nephew Drew, you like that? All right, wait till they say go, then we can pull off. All right, let's go. Now they're gonna sit here, they're gonna dry the car off.
They dried the car off.
Yeah, they're gonna dry it.
Dry it.
Yeah. Cars in park. Yeah. Check out some of these futures. I wish I had my charger with me. I would show you some other cool stuff on here. Plug it up and show you some other stuff. A CD. Whatever. I gotta get into it later. Thanks a lot. Say bye, Drew.
Bye.
That was the car wash. You know, sometimes I gotta get my car washed sometime because the snow we had. And I just got it washed. So, I'm about to get back on the road.
So we can go home.
Yes, go home. All right. See y'all later.